You know, we talked about this little eye of mine.
I think it was Friday, 2 days ago. Wake me up in the middle of the night if you need me to get that chunk of metal out of here.
So I talked to you guys about how bloodshot my eyes were and assured you I was not doing dope. But we're on the road this morning, and you may not believe it, but my friend Paul Gooch is an eye doctor, and he works down in St. George in optometric sweatshop, bending lights. And so it may not look like it, but he's dressed to go to work today.
Right.
And he's gonna get this chunk of metal out of my eye.
I'm wearing my lumberjack tools because I'm gonna get my chainsaw out and rip that thing.
He's gonna get in there and jackhammer that thing out of there. But either way, I'm glad that I have a friend that's a firefighter, a friend that's an eye doctor, and a friend that's a policeman, because I've needed them all in my life.
Amen, brother.
See, that's all I need is just that numbing drop. I'm good to go. Yeah, it'll rust out of there after a week or 10 days, won't it?
All right, put your chin up in there for me. There. You got like multiple.
Palm one off in there.
Sit back for a second.
Just get the one that feels like Mount Rushmore.
So look at this. There it all is. This is really right on the edge of your cornea. That's the most sensitive spot.
Well, that thing's just stuck on there.
But there's like 3 chunks of crap in there. Anyway, so we will start by.
Well, that one hit it at an angle, looks like.
I'm gonna get out my golf club spud and we're gonna chip that right out of there.
Take it out like an ice cream scoop. It looks like an ice cream scooper.
It looks like a little putter.
Golf club. Putter.
Yeah, a little putter.
Got his putter out. He's gonna putter that right out of there.
We're gonna start with that, and then we're probably gonna have to grind the rest out.
Grinding. That's what got me in trouble in the first place, is grinding.
Yeah. Yes, indeed.
And you know what this shirt says? It says, I can only please one person a day. Today isn't your day, and tomorrow isn't looking much better. Seriously, got rid of his golfing hat. If I can do it, sit here long enough without coughing or sneezing, it might be better for you.
The funny thing is, even after you get a chunk of metal out of there, if you don't get that rust ring, they just hurt like a bugger and they don't get better. Okay.
Oh yeah, you got something rolling around in there now.
Ugh. Starting to feel that.
I'll just got that stuff rolling around in there once you get it out.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell you right now, it's way better.
Oh yeah, yeah. Just getting the grass and everything other, you're already feeling way better.
All right, it's the one-eyed bandit and his assistant going up to do a recovery on SR59 at mile marker 3, so up towards Hilldale, Utah. We're meeting Dustin up there, and I tell you, this grinding on this Cherokee is what did this. Even with safety glasses on, somehow I got a chunk of metal in my eye, so I have a lens in there now to help it heal up a little quicker. So I got to suffer through that scratchy little thing until, oh, probably a few more hours, and then we'll be good to go. Can you see that lens? That's as good as I can do to keep my eye open. It hurts. Well, we're on the road again. It's almost quitting time on a Monday morning, but we are headed up to Grafton on a police dispatch for a Jeep Gladiator that slid off the road. So we're gonna get up there. I guess there's a couple people in with it, and they're kind of concerned about sliding off the edge. So got Becky driving me today, driving Miss Daisy, and I got my eye feeling a little better after the hunk of metal from grinding on the old Cherokee. And that thing drives so good now. Got the old frame stiffener on there and the steering dialed back in, but we're up the road today in the Black Pearl and we'll take you along for the ride. River's humping.
How cute this is. I wish lights were on right now.
We could actually just grab him and spin him all the way around. What do you think about that?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it's that bad to me.
I don't really like that angle that's on, but it'll be all right. Just have him hold the brake. Okay, go ahead and drive back. Okay, full stop right there. That was exciting. Yeah. Jumped right in your lap, didn't she? Okay, go ahead and drive back. Go ahead and crank it around right there. There you go. Now let that front end spin around. Yeah, go ahead and go forward a little bit. There you go. Keep coming back and that'll push your front end all the way around. Keep it coming. There you go. That'll give you enough room, hopefully. Awesome.
It's slicker than it looks.
I know.
Yeah.